Today I'm at an old sugar mill. That part of the building was burned by homeless people. Another part on the other side of the town was also burned by homeless people. And it's kind of weird because the town next to, like uh, two over, is a similar situation where part of it's owned by the city and the other part is owned by Burlington Northern and Santa Fe Railroad. So it's like that part right there where I'm using the drone is old railroad ties that some are still in line, but you can't see them very well, leading up to the sugar mill. And I wanted to fly my drone into the building because there's when the windows are on some of the old structure, the big one, are missing, so I could fly my drone right into it. But there was a weird guy that pulled up behind me while I was sitting in my vehicle, moving to the next location to get closer enough so I could control my drone. I flew as far as I could, but this guy was he looked like he was taking pictures of me, and so I thought he was security because they've had homeless problems here. So I just left, and I'm not gonna try it again. So this is all I have right here, and I wanted to do more. Trust me.